In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is temporary chat in ChatGPT. Think of temporary chat as a focused, short-term conversation mode designed to give you more control over privacy and personalization. When you use it, your messages aren't saved to your chat history, and they aren't used to build any long-term memory about you. That means the conversation stays contained to the moment, and once you're done, it won't mix into your regular threads. This mode is ideal when you want a quick exchange without leaving a trace in your history. Maybe you're exploring a sensitive topic, handling a one-off task, or just experimenting with ideas you don't need to revisit later. With temporary chat, you get the same helpful answers, but the session stays separate from your ongoing chats, so it won't influence how future responses are shaped in your regular conversations. One of the biggest benefits is added privacy for sensitive or confidential questions. If you're drafting something personal, evaluating options for a private decision, or doing quick research you don't want lingering in your chat list, temporary chat keeps things out of your main history. It also prevents those exchanges from affecting how ChatGPT responds to you later, which is especially useful when you're testing prompts or trying different approaches that might skew future suggestions. It's also great for staying organized. By keeping temporary threads out of your main history, your regular chats remain clean, focused, and easier to navigate. You won't have to scroll past one-time experiments or short-lived tasks just to find the conversations that matter day to day. So, when should you use temporary chat? Turn to it for confidential or time-bound questions, for testing ideas or prompts without saving the record, for added peace of mind on a shared or public device, and for quick tasks that don't benefit from long-term memory or personalization. For example, you might use it to brainstorm draft wording for a sensitive message, to compare a few prompt styles for a project, to sanity check a small piece of information on a computer you don't control, or to run a one-off calculation or checklist you'll never need again. To wrap up, temporary chat is a simple way to keep short-term conversations private, separate, and out of your main history. Use it for privacy, for clean organization, and for experiments that shouldn't shape future answers. When you're finished, you can return to your regular chats, knowing your everyday threads remain tidy and your personalization stays intact.